How's it going, everyone? My name is Sergeant First Class Riley. I'm with the marketing team here in California, and today I'm going to show you how to do some branding kits with the app's CapCut on PC and also your cell phone. So the reason why you would like to do this is to kind of save time on editing, being within the branding guidelines, and just to kind of pump out a lot of consistent material. So if you're a social media NCO, you're a part of the marketing team, or just a recruiter that kind of just want to step up your game, this trick or these life hacks, this is free. And everything that I have available is going to be down in the comments for the hyperlinks. You can select your state. We'll have all that stuff. But let's go ahead and jump in. So if you click onto the link tree /California RRB, it's marketing assets that's available for my digital team and pretty much anybody else that wants to brand the Army National Guard. So everything that I have, it's pretty much what I have, except for maybe some raw files such as videos. The memory is kind of astronomical. But to get started, we're going to get onto Linktree and we're going to scroll down to the branding guidelines. So click on it. It's going to bring you forward to Google Drive. So if you would like to download assets onto your phone, just make sure you download the Google Drive app. But we're going to do this portion onto the PC because I'll go ahead and tell you right now, for some reason, when you try to upload assets through the app, it doesn't always work. But what I've noticed is it typically works if you upload through the PC onto the CapCut and you upload it into the proper channels. So go into Build Assets. If you ever wanted to look at the latest and greatest branding guidelines, it's right there. And I downloaded everything already to kind of save time for this video. So all the fonts are there. PNGs, like if you want to do like National Guard, I'll upload those later. But state and territory. So for example, let's do California. It's got all the ones that NGB put out minus the PNG stroke. So go ahead and go to the three dots and hit download. Backtrack, build assets, fonts, video end cards. So you can create your own video end cards to be able to upload into the little branding kit for your CapCut account. And what's really cool is if one person pays for CapCut, I looked at a lot of the user agreements. It doesn't have a limit on, you know, how many devices, how many people can log on. So Sergeant Reyes and I are using both PC and both mobile devices, and it works perfectly. But for this trick, it's free, but the paid version just gives you so much more. So getting back to this, let's go ahead and go to vertical video. So let's download one of these and these, which I've already done. So now onto your URL, go into your account and go ahead and log in. So, and if you are using just one account, it's going to be a default space. But if you created, say, like a Sergeant Reyes space or a Sergeant First Class, which would be me, so click onto that. And over here, where it says create video, you're going to go over to the right and hit the brand kit. So videos, let's go ahead and drop in some videos. It does take a little bit depending on your internet connectivity. So images, these would be like your PNGs. So if you want like a high speed picture or anything like that. Oh, downloaded in the wrong spot. And you wanted to animate it yourself because you noticed that the stickers on social media are pretty low quality. Well, this is another way that you can do it. You can do an animation in, an overall animation, and an animation out. So you can do stickers. Accidentally uploaded there. But what I noticed is when you do stickers onto CapCut, it says that it's offline, you can't do it. So if you can find the workaround for that, I've done the PC, I've done the mobile for the brand, and for some reason it just doesn't work. So I would kind of stay away from brand stickers. Font, same thing. We're gonna go ahead and copy and paste the files that you downloaded from the Google Drive, which originally came from the link tree. I'll have everything below too. So you can do backgrounds, you can pre-upload music. We'll go ahead and do branding colors. So if we have to do like a specific color, like create our own shapes or anything like that. So on the application for the PC, when you try to do this, for some reason, when you type in, say for like gold, the hex code, it doesn't save it. It defaults to like whatever it is. So do the URL version of CapCut and it works all the time. So we're gonna go ahead and do black. Don't click off of it. Just click on. Oh, hold on. Made a boo-boo. So let's do white. Now click off of it. Let's close this out. So we got our white right there. So let's do black. Click onto the little window. Click off. So hex code for gold. Type that in. So now we're gonna do our green, which I have a little cheat sheet right here. I always have it on my side because I'm always dealing with creatives for California. So that one is 333 Charlie 33. Don't click off, click to the side, do that. And we also have our tan. So that one is Bravo, Fox, Bravo 8, Alpha, Bravo. Felt like a little cheat code off of like Sega, a little Sonic the Hedgehog or whatever. So now we have this. You can do presets like these would be like LUTs, kind of like adjustment layers and stuff like that. So now that's into the cloud. Let's go ahead and jump onto CapCut, new project. We'll do
decisions determine result.
We'll do that one. Super easy. It's already put together. So now if you want to do the auto captions, CapCut is awesome with auto captions, but their selection is kind of cartoony. It's not consistent. That's where the branding kit comes from. So if you go to text onto the phone and you want to do auto captions, Sergeant Reyes is paying, so we do have a lot of pro features, and anytime there is like a pro next to it, that means to be able to export it, you would have to have that feature paid for in your account, or just pay for CapCut. All right, let's try that one. So generate. So don't like the text. I kind of like same when it comes to creating content. That's where a lot of the stuff comes in. So if we go to style, and if you go to fonts, let's go to, so if you go past apply captions, hit brand fonts, and it's right there. So if you wanted like US Army, it's right there. If you wanted monospec bold, it's right there. So now it does everything else the same.
Decisions determine results. So which path do I want to take? Help people in need or stand on the sidelines watching? Worry about how to pay for school?
And of course you would go through and make sure that everything's spelled out correctly. If it's a question, you can put a question mark. And let me show you. So if you go onto the phone, so of course I'm Sergeant Riley, I click onto that, I do brand videos. I can also click on whatever I put in there. So it can be a 9x16 or a 16x9 and brand images. So if you wanted to animate your own logo, the internet's like terrible at work, but you can kind of build everything together. So brand video, what's up with it's in airplane mode, that's why. If you're pretty familiar with CapCut and how to use it, I would definitely add the branding kit to your arsenal. So if you like to edit from your phone or PC and you're a CapCut user and you're not using the Brank Kit, it's totally 100% free. The only thing is it's finding assets, but if you're in the Army National Guard from any part of the 54, we kind of have that solved. I'll go ahead and put out more content that you can download. So you can kind of pick and choose on the style or feeling that you would like to be able to portray. So if you're in the National Guard as a marketer or a recruiter or anything like that, and you would like to build a little bit of consistency, CapCut is a wonderful program. It's free to be able to do the brand kit. So you can download the fonts, pictures, videos. Couldn't get the stickers to work, but it saves you time. All those assets are uploaded onto like the little CapCut cloud. And like if you want to do auto captions and have a guard field, it's a great way to do auto captions, hit your brand and your text. It's that easy. You just got to double check, make everything correct. With spelling, if it's a question, you can put a question mark or what have you. So if you have any questions or anything like that, please leave a comment below. But I'll be doing a lot more videos for the 54, and hopefully you took something away from this. I know it was like a quick run through, and I'll be doing a lot more with CapCut, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Photoshop, and all the programs that I'm pretty familiar with. And if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to hit me up on my military email or Microsoft Teams if you're in the Guard. But in the meantime, get into the programs, start having fun, start experimenting, and if you have any questions, surround yourself with people that are about this life. If they're not into editing, those are not the people you want to talk to. And you're a marketer for your social media team or whatever for your state, reach out to them. Those are your first line of defense for education and stuff like that. But if not, you can always reach out to other social media NCOs throughout the Guard. But take care, and we'll see you in the next video.